Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In last class, we saw three important SAP SD standard business process. That is a credit memo. The document type for credit memo is CR. So why company will do credit memo? Because if they want to deduct, okay, if they want to deduct some amount from customer outstanding, okay, they will perform credit memo without any physical movement of goods. The next one is we saw debit memo. What is debit memo? The document type for debit memo is DR. So whenever company want to add some amount of customer outstanding without any physical movement of goods, they will go for debit memo request. The third one is we saw invoice correction request. We saw here these are two different business process. Like I told, each and every business process will have its own document type. But invoice correction, okay, for invoice correction, the document is the document type is RK, and you can perform both the functions of credit memo and debit memo with single document type. Like I told, it purely depends upon the company whether they need to go for credit memo or debit memo, or they can go for invoice collection also. Now, in today's class, let us see what is free goods or sample process. In interview, they will ask, can you please explain FOC business process? FOC means what? Free of charge. It is also called as sample process. The document type for free of charge is FD. Okay, so why company will create FOC order? Okay, why company will create FOC order to their customers? So whenever company launches a new product, okay, you can see here, whenever company launches a new product into market, the company will send samples to customers for free. Okay, so company want to promote their product. Okay, that is the reason they are selling their products for free for certain duration. Okay, so during that time we will use FOC process. For example, there's a company which is FMCG product, FMCG company. This FMCG company, they have manufactured a new product. Okay, for example, some health drink. So they have manufactured a new product which is called health drink. So they will sell these health drinks to like DMart or Reliance Fresh for free. Now these DMart, they will place all these free materials just in front of the entry, so that whenever people say it is a free drink, so they will start purchasing. Correct, right? Even in college days, you can see some promoters. They will come with some juice, saying that is a energy drink. So during sports activities, they will come telling that it is an energy drink and they will sell for free. Okay. So during that time, we will go for free of charge. Okay. So whenever you create free of charge in SAP system, you have to give the reason why you are creating free of charge order. So the transaction code is VA01. Okay. Go to VA01 transaction code, order type FD. So before that, what I'll do, one second, slash and AK, go to ZZ01. I will delete this pricing procedure determination. Okay, I will save this. Okay, now I will create one order, slash N VA01. Okay, order type, like I told, FD. Now enter the customer. See, you can see no pricing procedure could be determined. If you have seen my previous videos, I have told you the pricing procedure is determined by sales area plus customer pricing procedure plus document pricing procedure. Now we know what is the sales area. We know customer pricing procedure from customer master. Now what is the document pricing procedure? If you see the document type, okay, slash n VOV8. If you go to Vivo V8 and if you open the document type FD, and if you go inside, you can see the document pricing procedure is C. Okay, you can see the document pricing procedure is C. Now I have to slash and OVKK. Okay, now I have to maintain pricing procedure determination for document type C. So ZZ01. Now I will copy this line item, copy as, and I will give document pricing procedure as C. Now I will save this. Okay. Now I will create order slash and VK01 FD. See, now system will accept. Okay. If you go to header, you can see this is a document. This is a sales area. This is a sales area ZZ01 ZWZL, and order type is FD. Order type is FD. So that is the reason this pricing procedure has been determined. Now I'll come one step back. I will give the material. So I am selling some 100 liters of this health drink. Okay. So system is proposing delivery date as 13th of August. Now click on complete delivery. You can see the net value is zero. Okay, the net value is zero. Even if you double click on this line item and go to condition tab, you can see the net price is zero. So this is the functionality. Okay, this is the functionality of create delivery free of charge. So why this net price is zero? Because of item category. So I will explain this in coming class. So where is the control that the net price will become zero in delivery free of charge is item category. There is a lot of functionality behind this item category. Now just understand the business process. Now you have to give order reason. So why you are creating this order? So I can say free of charge sample. Okay, it is a free sample. That is the reason I am creating delivery free of charge in SAP. Now click on edit, in completion log. System will say document is complete. Now save this and create delivery. Okay, create delivery slash n BL01N. Okay, and give the shipping point and give the delivery 13th of August. Okay. Now go to picking tab. From this storage location, I'm going to pick this material and I'm picking 100 quantities. Click enter. Click on post goods issue. Post goods issue. Also remember, this free of charge is not relevant for pick pricing and billing. Okay. Okay. Free of charge is not relevant for pricing and billing because we are giving for free. Okay, we are giving for free because we are doing some promotion. Also, so what you can observe here is that these free materials, I think sometimes you can't see MRP also. You can't see the MRP of that product. So once this material or product gets good response from customers, then they will start maintaining the MRP price. Okay, may not be also. This is just my assumption. Now, what are the steps? Create FOC order. Second one is give order reason. Third one is delivery and PGI. Okay, these are the three steps. So, hope you understood the concept of free of charge. Now, let us see subsequent delivery free of charge. Subsequent delivery free of charge. Now, you saw, now, for example, what I will do before explaining what is subsequent delivery free of charge, I will explain one written process. Okay, we have already discussed the written process, but I would like to recap the written process. So usually I have a invoice. Okay, invoice. The quantity is 100 quantities. Okay, 100 quantities. So I can say quantity is 100. Okay, the customer has purchased 100 quantities and the selling price SP selling price is 250 rupees. So 250 rupees. Now the total price is how much? 25,000 rupees. Okay. So the invoice value is 25,000 rupees because the customer has purchased 100 quantities. The price of each quantity is 250 rupees. Now the customer says that, okay. Now the customer says that out of this 100 quantities, 40 quantities are damaged. Okay, out of this 100 quantities, 40 quantity has been damaged. Now what we will do, we will create a written order. We will create a written order. Now the written order value is 10,000 rupees because 250 into 40, it is 10,000 rupees. Now against this written order, we will create written delivery and we will create a written invoice. Now the value of 10,000 will be copied from written order to written invoice. Now, whenever you create a written invoice in system will generate a revenue accounting document and the accounting entry is revenue account debit to customer account credit. Okay. So now what system will do? System will deduct 10,000 rupees from this 25,000 rupees. Now the customer has to pay only 15,000 rupees. Okay. So this is the impact of, accounting entry. So revenue account debit to customer account credit. Now, customer will say that now, see now what we are doing, we are uh, crediting the amount to customer outstanding. Now, the customer will say that please don't do return invoice. Okay, you don't have to deduct the amount, but instead of that, you send this 40 quantities. Okay, you send these 40 quantities, you take the damaged 40 quantities and send the good samples. Okay, you send a good sample. Now, here, see, I have written here if we want to replace, okay, or else I'll do one thing. See here, it is a replacement process. What is subsequent delivery free? See, we know delivery free of charge, so we are giving for free. Okay, just we saw no what is a free delivery free of charge. So it is nothing but we are giving the samples for free. But what is subsequent delivery free of charged? Okay, subsequent delivery free of charge means we have already charged, but for the second time we are sending only the quantities for which it has been damaged. Okay, that is the meaning of subsequent delivery free of charge. Now the customer will request that please do not create a return invoice. Instead of that, you send the 40 quantities back again. Okay, so if we want to replace the goods to customer, then we should not create a return invoice while doing return process. Okay, so if you want to replace the goods, we should not create a return invoice. Okay, suppose if we create a return invoice, again we should start from order delivery invoice. Okay, so this is the business process of subsequent delivery free of charge. Now we have steps. Okay, what are the steps? For example, I will create one sales order slash and VA01. Okay, I will create one sales order. It is OR. I will give the customer. Now I'll enter some random PO number. Click enter. Click enter. Okay. So this is the product. This is a product. How much product they are buying? They are buying 100 quantities. Okay. 100 quantities. Click enter. Click on complete delivery. Now you can see the value of this price is 25,000 rupees. You can see the invoice value also will be 25,000 rupees. Now click edit in completion log. Document is complete. Now create delivery slash NVL01N. Okay, click enter. No delivery item relevant for FD. Is this two? Okay. Slash and VA02. What is the document type I took here? Oh, FD document type I took. Okay, sorry. So what I will do, I will create one more order slash and VA01. Now order type is OR. Enter the customer. Enter. Now if you go inside, you can see standard order OR. Okay. One step come back. Now this is the material. Quantity 100. Complete delivery. Now the value is okay. This is 100 liters. Okay, 100 liters. 100 liters. Click on complete delivery. Okay, you can see 25,000 rupees. Now I will save this. 21143 slash and VL01N 21143. Click enter. Now go to picking tab, enter the storage location and picked quantity 100. Click enter. Click on post goods issue. Now create one invoice slash and VF01. Now you can see the price has been copied from order to invoice, that is 25,000. Now I will save this. Now customer will say that I will copy this invoice number. I will copy this invoice number. Customer will say that, okay, I will paste somewhere here. Okay, I will paste. So this is the invoice number and the value of this invoice is 25,000 rupees. Now customer will say that 40 quantity has been damaged. Now I will create one return order slash n EA01. What is the order type for return order? RE. RE. Now click on create with a reference. Go to billing document. Now copy that billing number. Click on copy. Okay. Now what? Now here I've written steps. Okay. First is create a return order with respect to invoice. Okay. Now how much 40 quantities has been damaged? 40 quantities has been damaged. Now give the order reason. You have to give the order reason. For example, you can give damage in transit. Something you can give. Okay. There is that damage in transit. So usually we will have damage in transit 102. Enter. Now you can see the value of this written order is 10,000 rupees. Okay. The value of that written order is 10,000 rupees. Now what I will do, I will go to edit incompletion log. System will say document is complete. Remember, whenever you create written order, system automatically, apply billing block for this particular written order. Okay. Now save this. Now save this. So it is done, right? So now what you have to do, go to return order and mention now second step is create delivery and PGI. Create delivery and PGI slash and VL01N. Okay, click enter. Now go to picking tab. Okay, the picking is 0. Okay, it has been disabled. It will be disabled. Now click on post goods issue. Post goods issue. Now slash and VF01. If you perform this activity, it is a return order cycle. It will become a return order cycle. But what customer is telling, don't create return invoice. Instead of that, give me 40 quantities for free because the customer has already paid the amount for this 40 quantity. Now the customer is requesting give it for free. So now what I have to do, I have to slash and VA02. Go to change mode of this order. Click enter. Okay, go to change mode of this order. Now you can see, go to return order and mention reason for rejection at item level. Okay, now this is the item level. Okay, double click on this item level, or what you can do, go to item detail, item overview. I think in item overview or item detail, let me check once again. Reason for rejection we will have. Okay. See, reason for rejection. Give this a reason for rejection. For example, you can see cancel due to some error. Okay, click enter. This is a reason for rejection. Click enter. Okay, you have to give reason for rejection and you have to save this. Okay, it has been saved. Now, what is the purpose of a reason for rejection at item levels? This is something new, right? What is the purpose of this? See, the reason for rejection will control two things. Okay. If you have already created return invoice, then system will not allow to perform subsequent delivery free of charge. Okay. So you have already created the return invoice. If you try to create subsequent delivery free of charge, system will not allow that activity. Okay. What is subsequent delivery free of charge? It is similar to, giving goods for free. What is return invoice? You've already created the amount. Again, if you try to create subsequent delivery free of charge, it is loss for the company. That is the reason for rejection. It will check two things. First one is, if you have already created invoice, system will not allow to perform subsequent delivery free of charge. Second one is, if you create subsequent delivery free of charge, then system will not allow to create a return invoice. So you're giving for free. Okay, after giving for free, if system allows to create return invoice, that means you're deducting some amount from customer outstanding. It means it is loss for the company, right? So these are the two controls which system forms whenever you give reason for rejection. Okay. Now, what is the fourth step? Create subsequent delivery free of charge with respect to return order. Okay. What is the return order? This is the return order. Okay. This is the return order. Control C. So, create a return order and mention. So, what was my return order number? This was return order number. Okay. And what is the invoice number? This was my invoice number. So what I did, first I created a return order with respect to invoice. I did delivery and PGI. Now I went to change mode. Okay, when I went to change mode of this return order, and I mentioned reason for rejection at item level. Now what I have to do, I have to create subsequent delivery free of charge with respect to return order. Okay. And what is the document? Document type is SDF. Now go to VA01. Okay. Slash NVA01. Click enter. Okay. SDF is a document type. Now click with create with reference, give the order. Now click on copy. Oh, sorry, this is invoice, right? The system will not allow to create with respect to invoice. Now copy return order number. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Now click on copy. Okay, click on copy. Now click on continue. Click on continue. You can see the 40 quantity. Okay, the 40 liter of vitamin drink has been copied from return order. Okay, it has been copied from return order. You can see the net value is 0, which means that this see I am giving for free. The customer has already paid the amount. Okay, the customer has already paid the amount. Now I am giving for free because 40 liter has been damaged during the delivery. So during the delivery time 40 quantity has been damaged. So now what you have to do, so next one is create subsequent delivery free of charge. It is not relevant for pricing and billing. Okay, not relevant for pricing and billing. Now click on edit incompletion log. Okay, document is complete. See now don't remove all this billing block or order reason. So don't remove all this. Okay, now save this. Now create delivery and PGI slash n VL01N. Okay, click enter. Now go to picking tab. Now pick 40 quantity from the storage location. Click enter. Click on post goods issue. That's all. So this is the business process of subsequent delivery free of charge. Okay. So the customer has already paid the amount. That is the reason I am giving for free. But in this case, the customer is not paying single amount also, but still we are giving for free because we want to promote the products. Okay. These are the two important business process. Okay. This is bit confusing, but you have to remember the steps. So first you have to create return order with respect to invoice. After that, do a return delivery and post goods receipt. Okay, I can say this return delivery. Okay, just create a return delivery. Third step is go to return order and mention reason for rejection. Reason for rejection will control two things. So these two things, reason for rejection will control. The fourth step is create subsequent delivery free of charge. Fifth step is create delivery and AGI. So hope you understood these two business process. Now let us see what is quantity contract. See, sometimes customer will have contract with the company or company will have contract with the customer saying that, okay, let us see what is quantity contract. It is an agreement. Okay. It is an agreement. It is an agreement between, okay. It is an agreement between company and the customer for supplying the goods of particular quantity within a specific validity period. Okay. The company and the customer will have an agreement saying that the company has to supply or the company will supply some particular quantity of goods within a specific period of time. Okay. So because of this contract, it is a benefit both for customer and the company. Okay. For customer, it is less price. Okay. Because he want this much of product within a specific period of time. So company will give some for company will sell for some less price, and they will also give some attracting discounts. Now, what is the benefit to company? So it guarantee sales. Okay, guarantee sales is the one thing. It is a benefit to company. So that is the reason we have quantity contract. What is quantity contract? It is an agreement between the company and the customer for supplying the goods of particular quantity within a specific validity period. So because of this contract, it is benefit for both customer and the company. Okay. What is the document type for quantity contract? The document type is QC, and we have steps here. Okay. What is the first step? Create quantity contract using transaction VA41. Now go to transaction VA51. Click enter. The the document type is QC for contract. Okay. Now click enter. Now give the customer. So for example, this is the customer. Click enter. Now system is asking for enter valid from date. Okay, this contract is valid from when? Okay, I will give this contract is valid from today and it is valid to till this month end. Okay, till this month, for example, T1. Okay, now click enter. So give some PO number, give some PO number, some random PO number, and give the PO date also. Okay, now give the material. Now this contract says that the company has to supply 1,000 liters of vitamin drink to this customer. Okay, 1,000 liter. You can see the price also, 2,50,000 rupees. Now click on edit in completion log. System will say document is complete and I will save this. Okay, I will save this. Now I will copy this contract number. Okay, I will copy this contract number and I will paste in the sheet. Okay, so this is the contract number. Okay, this is a contract number. Now what is the next step? Create order with reference to contract number. Now what is the transaction code to create normal order slash and VA01. Okay, now the order type is OR. Click enter. Okay, we have to create with reference. No, so I'll one step I'll come back. Okay, create with reference. Go to contract. So we have a contract here. Control V. Click on copy. Okay, you can see the 1,000 liters has been copied. Okay, the 1,000 liters has been copied from quantity contract to normal standard order. Okay, now the customer is telling that I want 400 liters. Okay, now the customer is requesting he wants 400 liters. Now the price also you can see here for 400 liters it is almost 1 lakh. Now click on edit in completion log. Document is complete. Now save this. Okay. Now create delivery slash n VL01N. Okay. Click enter. Now enter the storage location. Now how much is the picked quantity? It is 400, right? 400 and here also 400. Enter. Zero quantity is only 0 liter of material is available. So what I will do, I will copy this control C and I will check the stock of this material. Okay, MFDE. This material plant is ZZ01. Storage location is this one. Now execute. Okay, there is no stock. So what I will do, I will post the stock. Now slash and MB once is a transaction code in ECC and give the moment click enter. So this is the material. How much, for example, I will put some 2,000 quantity for time being. Click enter and save this. Okay. Now I will check the stock. Now slash n MMDE. This is the material. Click on execute. You can see, oh, did I post 20,000? Okay, 20,000 stock have been posted. Now what I will do, I will create delivery again slash n PL01N. Click enter, enter. Okay. Uh, Give the storage location. Okay. Delivery quantity, how much? Delivery quantity is 400. 400, click enter. Now click on post goods issue. Now create invoice slash n PF01. Okay, click enter and save this. Save this. Now what I did in contract, okay? In contract, the quantity was 1,000 liters. Now I created one sales order. I created one sales order. The quantity in this sales order was 400 liters, right? Now, second time when I'm creating sales order, okay? When second time I'm creating sales order, system will propose me 600 liters. Okay, because 400 liters I have already consumed, now remaining 600 liters. Now I will create one more order with respect to this contract. Slash n VA001. Okay, document type OR, create with reference. Now click on contract number, copy the contract, copy. You can see 600 liters. Now the customer will tell that I want this 600 liters on 28th of July. Okay, so 28th of July. For example, he will tell that 28th of July 2024, he want this 600 liters full. Okay, he is consuming full. Now I will save this. Now I will create delivery slash and VL01N. What is the delivery date? Click enter. Okay, delivered 28th of July, right? So I will give 28th of July, 28/08/2024. Click enter. Okay. Now give the storage location. Now give the picked quantity as 600 liters. Click enter and click on post goods issue. Now create invoice slash and VF01. Okay, click enter and save this invoice. Now, when you try to create again sales order with respect to quantity contract slash and VA01, okay, create with reference. What is the contract number? Give the contract number 235. Click on copy. Click on copy. System will say that the reference has already been copied or rejected. That's all. You cannot create no more sales order with respect to this quantity contract. So this is all about quantity contract. These are standard business process and very important. In interview, they will ask, what are the contract types you worked on? You can tell one is quantity contract. And remember this FOC, subsequent delivery free of charge. In my previous video also I've explained what is invoice correction request, debit memo, credit memo, and return order, cash sale process, rush order, normal sales order, quotation inquiry. Please go through all these standard business process. These are very important business process. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please raise your questions in comment box. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe because it will help you to give the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.